Hi there, it's Bo Miller at Boutique Realty, and today I'm at 12 Porpoise Parade in Deception Bay. Now you might wonder why I've started inside, and that's because we were doing the twilight shoot tonight with the photographer, and the road outside was actually being re-bitumened, and they were still working while it was daylight, and now it is so pitch black dark outside I can't do the outside tour. So when I come back on our first open home during the day, I will redo this video for you, but this is just a little preview of what's inside. So here's our front door into our huge lounge room. There is an air conditioner there obviously in the wall. Carpeted through. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. I just love the style. It's got a little breakfast bench here. It does come with four of these original Art Deco chairs. And here is your kitchen. It's got a new cooktop there. Kitchen is completely functional. Look at those tiles. And there's actually some really gorgeous tile work in here as well. Now it's a 5-bedroom home, 2 bathrooms. It's got a big shed outside. Security screens right through, and it actually does have a security system for the house. Bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, all with built-in robes. Your laundry, toilet, main bathroom. Bedroom number 4, and we're into the 5th bedroom. This room's huge. Now all these large windows that you're seeing to the floor are actually sliding doors. Ensuite and walk-in room. So I'm really excited to show you this property. It's got a lot of memories here and a family who absolutely loved living in the area, and it is now ready to be a home for somebody new. So 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has a separate laundry. Outside we've got a carport and a huge double shed. The house has a security system and some solar panels, 2.5 kilowatt solar panels on the roof. Walking distance down to Deception Bay, so you'll be able to see that in the drone photos, how close we actually are to the water, the shopping centre and the school. So fantastic location. Can't wait to show you.